Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. I know, so cute. So cute. Let's get into this tutorial for these lazy crochet braids. For some backstory, I was going to Guatape. It's like this small town in Colombia. I knew I was going to be in the water having a good old time. Go ahead and just go on my Instagram so you can see what I'm talking about. It was super fun. Anyway, I knew I needed a really quick, easy style, and this was the perfect one because I could do it in a really lazy way. It would last me the weekend and I would look cute. So this is what I did. I just did a few chunky cornrows in the front and then did singles in the back and braided them all together. And I used Jamaican Jerry hair. I only used about 2.5 packs of it. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like in my head as we progress. In terms of crocheting, I didn't do anything special. I separated each part or each piece of hair once or twice and then just crocheted them in as normal. Didn't really care about doing invisible knots or any of that stuff. Just crocheted them right into those braids. And like I said, this is what 1 pack of hair looks like. And this is what 2 packs of hair looks like. And what I did is I went ahead and just added in some hair from that 3rd pack around the part so it would be more full. And once I had it all crocheted in, I just cut it with a regular pair of scissors, gave myself a little bang, cut downwards in general, and just kept kind of, snipping away until I was happy with the final product. So this is it. Hope you guys liked it. You're welcome. Go ahead and give me some compliments in the comments if you do. And follow me on Instagram because that'll be real nice of you. And I love attention. Okay, bye y'all.